Alright, it's been a minute, but we're back. We got us both this weekend, something different. We're doing a little bit of kayak fishing, salt water, got a few things to try. If you don't know already, we're responsible for this brand. We make these lures. We've got a new colour, motor oil, absolutely looks delicious. Just poured these yesterday, haven't used them before, so we're going to try that. And we've also got two new molds in the range, a 5-inch in the fry, which we're arguing about what we're going to call it. I want to call it Philip J fry, but Andy thinks we might get copyrighted. And we got this little guy as well, which is called a K-SPRAT. A really small profile, but it looks exactly like the bait. We've used this profile a few times, but not in this color, and had a lot of success with it already. So yeah, we're going to get this campsite set up and then get down to the water and hit the kayaks, and we'll bring you back. Oh man, that's all that.
Well, it's been many years since fishing out of a kayak. Going to use the K-SPRAT in the new motor oil colour. Looks amazing. Don't usually use lures this small, but had awesome success over Christmas with this, so I'm going to plug away with it today. And the 5-inch, so let's see, big or small. Already got a hit. Oh. Another hit. That's Taylor, I think. Oh. Hit and a miss. Didn't strike it. Too used to cod fishing at the moment. Alright, already changing. Going to the big dog, 5-inch paddle tail. Slim profile, just like the mid fry, small fry. But this is 5-inch. Little brim, oh, little brim on the K-SPRAT. Thought I saw a whole bunch of movement there, so it must have been tiny little brim. He's holding on to it though. Ah, yay, floody, finally. Only a little tucker. Oh God. Before I crash. So far, little brim, little flathead on the K-SPRAT. I'm gonna keep fishing it. Another one on the K-SPRAT. Yeah. I just did first cast at Ian's spot and something has smashed it.
It might be an EP.
It's staying low, man.
It's actually fighting really hard.
It's alright. Oh, it looks like jewfish. Silver, it's dewy. It's a dewy. Yeah, man, it's alright. Yeah, it's tired.
Wow. It's been in here for a long time, that fish. It's been close to 8 years.
Quick.
That is beautiful, man. What a great fish. What have you got to do? On the case.
I'm the K-SPRAT, man. You got it?
We're somewhere where we don't want to say where we are, but I've never, ever heard of a jewfish in here, ever.
And check this out. On our newly on the K-SPRAT. The smallest lure.
The smallest lure ever. 2.5 mil lure on the new motor oil colour that we just created. I only poured these yesterday.
I just bent
hook, first cast in this zone.
jewfish.
How good.
Alright, I haven't had a bite in ages. Coming back to deeper water, found Taylor. So, hope I didn't chomp. Oh, I did chomp it off. Anyway. Okay, calm your farm. Have to change the lure. Okay. Only a little tucker. Oh no. Yeah, man, it just ended up nose first down in the foot pedal well. Yeah. Yeah, it's in the boat. Not that big. Does this count as a live well? I said, does that count as a live well? Might be, it took off. Alright, K-SPRAT again on something that is moving. Might be a EP or another Dewey. Find out. Just took off. Made me do circles. Big brim. Yeah. Alright, sorry about that. Sorry about that one. Battery died at the wrong time in that fight. Decent brim on the K-SPRAT in our new motor oil colour. She's a good looking fish. Anyway, see ya.
Strong stuff, that's